Hi guys, this is Kevin with QRI Web Solutions with a review of the StartPoint WordPress theme by InkThemes.com. I build websites for small businesses, and this video is mainly directed at prospective clients that are trying to choose the right theme for their business and their website. So I'm going to just go through this theme and point out some of the features and what kind of set it apart from others. The first thing I want to say is StartPoint is designed as a one-page business theme. That means that your entire website could be contained on this one page. Now, the way they do that is they divide the home page into different sections that really encompass an entire website. So you start with this large full-screen slider that you see in front of you now, and then you can slide down and you'll see you've got a feature section, a blog post section, a photo gallery, a client feedback or testimonial section, and then a contact us section so that you can generate leads right from the home page. And then of course your footer with different widgets and information down here at the bottom. So you can see it's just an entire website just compressed into one page. Now, just because that is the thought in this particular theme doesn't mean that you can't add additional pages. In fact, you can add as many pages to this theme as you'd like and organize it any way you'd like. But if you want to use your home page as kind of a summary of the different areas of your website, this theme may be perfect for you. Now I want to scroll back up, and I'm going to go to a different demo of the same StartPoint theme just to give you some variety here. This is a different color scheme using a darker banner at the top, but you can see we've got the full screen, full width, and in this case full screen slider images. So if you have a product that shows really well in photography, this would be a great theme for you. For example, anything to do with travel, photography, food. So if you're a restaurant, a resort or hotel, or any product or service that shows well in photography, this theme is going to be really good for you. So let's go on down and take a look here. Now you notice how the feature section slides in. This is called on-scroll animation, and it just gives your website a little punch. And in this theme you have 3 columns of features. These icons are complete. You can substitute these with one of hundreds of different icons that are available for this theme. This text can be used as a link, so you can tie a website link to this text and allow your visitors to jump to any part of your website on this page or another page or any link, any website on the internet. Let's slide on down and talk about the blog section. This is very useful because you can use it not just as blogs, which are news and articles about your business, but you can also create blog postings about your products, so your product or service. So if you're a landscaping business, for example, you could have a blog posting here that shows up on the front page that talks about your landscaping capabilities. You might also do lawn care, so lawn mowing and things like that. You could have another posting that just covers that, and then in the wintertime you might do snow removal, and you might have a posting here that explains and talks about your snow removal capabilities. You can really use these blog postings for just about any purpose. And if you don't want this section showing up on your home page, it can be suppressed as well. Come on down and you can see you've got the gallery, the photo gallery. The same thing with the photo gallery. You can use this for pictures of your products, your services, pictures of your staff and your facility. And as with the blog posting, you see in this particular example there are 6 posts here in a tiled fashion. You can have as many or as few blog postings on the home page as you want. So if you just want these 3, this can be customized to make these 3 go away, and it'll only show 3 if you wish, and you can also show more if you'd like. Same with the gallery. If you want just 4 photos, you can cut this back to just 4 photos. On down to the testimonial section, you can use this for customer testimonials or any other purpose. If you want comments from the owner of the business to prospective customers, you could put that here. And this is the contact us section, so that you can customers clearly have a place that they can correspond with you right on the home page. And then again, in the footer section, there are all kinds of widgets that you can put in the footer section to give your website more capabilities. Now I'm going to go over to a website that I created. This website here is a demo from InkThemes. I'm going to show you one that I created as a demo for my purposes, because I want to illustrate some things. As you can see here, I'm using the blue scheme. There are 9 different preset color schemes that come with this theme, and it's just show you a little what I've done with it. This right here, I didn't mention this earlier, this is a section in the gallery. As you're coming on the gallery section, you'll notice how this background moves. That's called a parallax background. You can see that the background, the mountains are moving, but they're moving at a much slower rate than I'm scrolling the rest of the website. Just kind of an interesting effect that you might find gives your website a little punch, a little interest. Now I want to point out here on the gallery section, these are buttons that allow you to select categories of photographs. To give you an example here, click on Adventure. It will show you just the photographs that pertain to adventure. You can go to Sun, just the photos that pertain to sunny places, and here some sightseeing. And I'll show you that if you click on the photo, you get a larger photo, and then it becomes a slideshow. So that's pretty nice. And also just want to point out here in this demo that I set up that you can embed video in your footers, in your sidebars, and just about anywhere else in your website. If you have videos or want to link to videos, you can do that. Now I want to show you one other thing. I've shown you that you can use full width sliders and full screen sliders to really consume the entire home page, but you don't have to do that. You can do it slightly different. This is a new website, another website that I created for this demonstration, and you can see here I have made the slider only about 600 pixels tall, and that means that your feature section is visible when you first load the web page. And this is kind of a neat thing. If you don't want to consume the entire page with the slider, you can adjust the size of the slider. The width will always be full width, but the height can be whatever you want it to be. So it can be full screen, or it can be, as it is here, just 2/3 of the screen. So let's go back to this one, and this is the StartPoint theme, and it's been a very good theme for me. It's been very reliable. And if you're interested in having me build a website for you using this theme, the StartPoint theme, customizing it for your business with your photographs, your text, your logo, and anything else that you'd like, just give me a call or contact me at QRIweb.com, and or go down below in my YouTube notes, and there should be a link there to my website. I'd be glad to help you with your website or build your website for you. Thank you.